Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate or download document that verify that you are account holder of Payoneer account. So you can provide this statement to any marketplace or client that request an official document confirming your standing as an Payoneer account holder. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in home page. On left side you see account activity, so click on it. Now account activity open and then you see letter of good standing and then you see info icon, so click on it and then you see some information, letter of good standing, a letter verifying that you are a Payoneer account holder and showing a specific currency or card balance for a selected date. Now close and then click on it. Now you see letter of good standing, letter detail and then you see currency or card balance, so you can select according to requirement and then you see date, balance at end of the day is shown and if you want you can change the date from here, so it's up to you. Now click on it, this is a drop down and then you see currency balance, also you see card we have, so you can select according to requirement. So we select it and then click on download. Now generating and downloading your file. Now you see file download done, so click on it. So this is our Payoneer letter and then you see date and then you see subject to whom it may concern and then you see subject. This letter is verification that the account holder name above has an account with Payoneer. This account was open on this date and then you see your personal information. So you can provide this statement to any marketplace or client that request an official document confirming your standing as an Payoneer account holder. So in this way you can generate or download document that verify you are an Payoneer account holder. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.